this is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm at Explore USA RV Super Center in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm going to be doing a cruise. I'm going to be doing a test of my new YouTube setup, which is a DJI Pocket 2 camera connected to my phone. I want to see how it works in low light situations, how it works in doing close-ups and stuff. Again, that's my DJI Pocket 2 and my phone, and see how it works in combination. So let's do this little test. Let's have a little fun here at Explore USA RV Super Center. Right now I got to learn how to center myself, and there I am. I look semi-decent, okay? I'm going to give it a triple tap, and it's going to turn the camera around. Amazing! So I have the little wide-angle lens adapter on this unit. We're right across from I-35 West. So this highway unites going north in Denton and goes right about 5, 10, 20 miles, and then it unites with the east version, which goes to Dallas. So we got the Fort Worth version. Here I am looking at a redwood. Let's do some quick walkthroughs and give this DJI Pocket 2 and my phone a test. See if I can get this nice and close. Some of the issues I've had with my action cameras, I can't get very close. So you can get pretty close. This is the Redwood 3981 FK. Now we're going to go inside and see if it actually can do well under low light. Nice big screen TV. Let me sit on this chair. I did a review of this one, I think, a while back. Very nice. I like that Greystone 36-inch oven, and of course the big screen TV, and this lighter wood is quite nice. Again, in this review and walkthrough, I'm going to do them rather quick. I'm not going to give a lot of details. If you have any questions, of course, contact your local dealership, be wherever they are in the United States and Canada, and or the folks here at Explore USA RV Super Center. They have various locations, various sales staff. Let's go in this dark room and do a little quick test. Let's see how it does with this dark furniture. Right now we have lighter furniture and lighter woods, and we're going to go into a room which has darker woods. Let's see how it works out. From what I can see, decent job. Let me open up this cabinet. So, that's a problem I had in my action camera, is that it's not too good. I only spent $100 on it, so it's not too good. But this one has a bigger sensor size. It's supposed to do a lot better. It's supposed to have a lot more latitude, and it's also wider. This is a wide lens. I have the little wide lens adapter. So what do you think of that shot? Nice bed. As you can adjust the headboard. Very nice. Let's go in the bathroom. Again, I've reviewed this before. It has twin bowls, all kinds of, let me see if this works pretty good. Very nice, very nice. Ooh. Let's see how it picks up detail. Again, all you YouTubers out there, this is good for vlogging, reviews, quick videos. I often hear people say they got the cinematic video. They got the cinematic video. If you want cinematic, you're going to spend tens of thousands of dollars and actually have talent to do cinematic. You can do skateboard videos, of course. So I love this unit so far. Let me just go into the lounge area. No, this is the kitchen area, I apologize. So this is a front kitchen unit. There's no lights on, so let's see how it looks with this shot here without the lights. So you got the roof here. The roof is at about 6'5". So if you're 6'6", you're gonna bang your head. Nice shot. There we go. We got some detail here. It's a very nice, very livable unit. We've got a lot of buffet space, and you can have buffets to your heart's content. You can have friends over, and this is a solid surface. I like this. Very nice solid surface. Woo, and it's super smooth, super smooth. Smooth like a baby's butt. My babies are all in their mid-40s now, so I do have grandchildren in their teens, and one in their 20s. Whoops! Didn't slam. Close. Let me close this. Doesn't close very well. So now we're in the daylight. Let's see how quickly it adjusts. Let's just do a couple of these units. Let's go down there. There's my truck. There's another redwood. Let's check out one of these alliances. They have Van Lee, Alliance, Flagstaff, all kinds of different brands of fifth wheels over here. They specialize in towables. Let's open this. Ooh. See how the camera does in these dark recesses. Very nice. Let me drop that. Very nice. Somebody's in there. Better not do that one. I'll do this alliance over here. I got my first inoculation for COVID-19 a couple days ago, so I'm very happy about that. So I had my first inoculation here in late January in Fort Worth, Texas. Very happy about that. Can't wait to get my second inoculation. My wife and I went through the speedy process here in Fort Worth, Texas. Very well done in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm actually quite proud of our community, how well they did it. I had an appointment, went in and out pretty fast. So this is an Alliance product. I love those Insignia stoves. They're very residential, aren't they? Nice solid surface countertops. Nice furniture. Very well appointed. This is apparently epoxy, this countertop. This is some sort of what do you call it? That wood that they grind up and glue together. It has this little plastic coating on it. In one of the RV shows, this was peeling off, so, and I noted it on a video, and the folks at Alliance did not like it. They did not like me critiquing. Nice closet. So everything I like about this unit, except I like to see these be solid wood or a better quality wood, something like that. And I'm not a big fan of this gold tone, and the folks at Alliance didn't like my critiques. I apologize. I'll only say good things in the future. How about that? Nah, that's not gonna happen. So again, I'm testing my new rig here. They got quite a few inventory. They must have just received a ton of stuff. They have rows upon rows upon rows upon rows. Here's a Pine Crest by Van Lee. They have the beacons. The list goes on and on and on. Flagstaff. I have an open range roamer. I did a review of that one, I think, last week. So let me reiterate. This is not a detailed review of any of these products. I'm just walking through and doing a test of my DJI Pocket 2 working with my phone. I just got it in and I got the what they call the creator combo. Let's go take a peek at this antique unit over here. I call it antique. They have an antique over here. Here's a Dutchman Yukon Dutchman. There's a Dutchman Yukon, I don't know. The Forest River impressions here. Bunch of flagstaffs, open ranges. Let's look at some of these antiques here. I would love to have a small vintage travel trailer and tear it apart and redo the interior. Especially this little Rockwood by Forest River here. This is something old. This is old. Definitely seen better days. Ooh. So what do you think of the stabilizer jacks? Look like they've been exposed to salty conditions. The seals are rather old. They're very generous to leave you a little spigot here. Very nice. Very nice. You could use a lens cover here. Little plastic cover. And they must have done a lot of traveling. They've already replaced the tires with the Endurance by Goodyear. So let's go inside and see how fantastic this unit is. Let me see if I can actually open it. It says aluminum ultra lightweight structure, 2603. Oops, let me close that. So this will be the last video, travel trailer I'll show. And what do you think of that pattern there? That's totally amazing. Totally amazing. Let's get a nice close-up. Camera does pretty good with close-ups. And they added this faux brick little wallpaper. And they also have all these little mementos of their trips past. Very nice. Let's do a close-up. Quite nice. This camera does a great job focusing close-up. And they did a great job painting it red, if you like red, that is. That is sweet. Nice sink. Magic Chef. Little refrigerator. Our refrigerator's still doing good. And you got a little haul here. Yes, they were smart to get rid of the mattress, because you can put another mattress in here. I'd love to have this unit. I could fix it up. I could replace a lot of stuff. I can peel off that wallpaper, unless it's hiding some damage. And I find out, my God, this thing is not doing too good. So let's check out the bathroom real quick. This is working out. This is my setup here. Just want to show it to you. It's my phone, my little this is sort of like a little handle, and then my new DJI Pocket 2. I like it. It works. Hey, look at that. Got a fan up there, Max Air fan. Got the old school stuff. Would you keep that sofa or not? You have options. And you have the... I like this unit. I'd fix it up. If I can get it for like $1,000 and it's actually not delaminated and the refrigerator works and stove works, I'd take it for $1,000. What would you pay for this? Let me get out of here. Oh. Again, this is a 2603. 2603. Very nice. Let me go see if I can read the tag, and then we'll end this video. It was manufactured in, let me get close, another test of my setup. It was manufactured in 11/3/2005. So this is a 15-year-old unit. 15 years and 2 months, because this is the first day of February. So we got more stuff over here. More stuff over here. So this has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza doing a test of my DJI Pocket 2 and my phone system, my new system. I just got this in about late January, last week of January 2021, so we'll see how it does. Give me your impressions. What do you think? It works pretty good. What do you think of the quality? Note your comments below, and please be kind. Don't forget to leave your kind and friendly comments way below the description. And if you have time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Let me take a break inside one of these units. Ooh. Here I am. The camera sort of wobbles once in a while. I have to still adjust some of the parameters. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please leave your kind and friendly comments below the description. And if you have the time, check out my Patreon page. That's patreon.com/JMMGarza. I'm looking forward to getting a couple contributions. I've already got a couple people donate to my cause. All the money is going to go to producing these videos and to lavish lifestyle, of course. Not so much. I'm just going to use it for equipment. You know, photo equipment isn't cheap. It's not cheap, so I'm going to buy some more stuff here and there. But what do you think? From Fort Worth, Texas, at Explore USA RV Supercenter, just doing a little walk around, testing my new photo equipment. What do you think? Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.